Hey everyone, I'm at Loblaws right now. So the Finish Quantum Ultimate, they are on sale for $14.99 and you're actually going to get 3,000 points back per purchase. And right over here actually is a $2 off coupon. So $14.99, but the discount and the points then goes down to $9.99 each. I'm gonna pick up some chocolate chip, semi-sweet chocolate chip cookies for my lactation cookies. Or sorry, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Hey everybody, I am back with another grocery haul. So this is from two different stores. The Finish detergent is from Loblaws and everything else is from Real Canadian. So we'll start off here with the Finish detergent. They were on sale for $14.99 and 3,000 points back, 3,000 PC points back per purchase. So that's $3 off each. And then there is a $2 coupon that you can find pretty much at every store right now. It's very readily available. Yeah, so they end up being $9.99 each. So we'll start off here on this side for the Real Canadian. Basmati rice, 10-pound bag, 14 and some change, I think $14.99 at Real Canadian on sale, but then it's on sale for I want to say $9.97 at Walmart, so I price matched for $9.97. Sour cream here, $1.98 on sale. Blueberries, I believe they were $4 or $5 at Real Canadian, price matched. Food Basics for $1.98. Got lots of bananas. Chocolate chips. The club size per gram ended up being cheaper than the little small bags. I believe this was $9 and some change. Cheese for my husband. I had a personal offer on No Name blocks of cheese. It was every $3 spent you would get, I think it was 400 points or 200 points. Or no, sorry, 1,200 points. That's what it was. So $1.20 off for the two of them here. Strawberries, I believe, were $4 something at Real Canadian, and I ended up price matching $1.88. $1.88 for the pineapple, price matched as well. This is the Bliss Creamer. This is the huge one. I believe this one's, 946 ml. It was $6.90 at Real Canadian, price matched Sobeys for $3.99. And I completely forgot, but there is a coupon for $2 off any size Bliss. Completely forgot to print it, so this would have been $1.99, but I ended up paying $3.99. But that's fine. I'm gonna buy this constantly anyway, so I'll just keep the coupon for next time. Taco kit, $4 price matched. It was originally $4.30 at Real Canadian. It was 2 for $8 at Sobeys, so I paid $4 for one. And the beauty of this actually is that this is the gift that keeps on giving. So there is a coupon inside for a free kit again. So I'm gonna cut it out, head to the store whenever, get another one, and then with that new one I will have the coupon again, and etc., etc., etc. So I'm gonna keep getting more kits for free by just buying the one here. Cilantro and green onions, price matched 78 cents or 75 cents each. Tomatoes, price matched 99 cents a pound. And then the Gain Flings on sale for $22.98. I had a personal offer for every $15 spent, I'd get 3,000 points. So I spent $45 and some change for the two. So I got, I will be getting 9,000 points back. I had to do an inquiry for PC because I didn't see it on my receipt. So they're just trying to figure it out right now, but I will get the $9 back. And then Real Canadian was doing 3,000 points per each one purchased as well. So that's an additional 6,000 points. So they ended up being, I believe, $12.99 instead of $22.98 or $12.98 in this case. And then last but not least, sour cream alternative from PC. Haven't tried this one yet. It expires tomorrow and it was 30% off. They forgot to give me the 30% off actually. So I called when I got home and they just have it written down in their log. So next time I go into the store, they will just refund me the difference. So if we look at everything here, so I got back $7.60 in PC points from Real Canadian. $2 checkout 51. Oh, actually, yeah, sorry, I forgot about that. $1 back each from checkout 51. $2 back from checkout 51. 50 cents back for the blueberries for Eclipsa. It's 25 cents back each, so one on my end, one on my husband's. Let's see. So the total with discounts and point redemption and everything was $107.38 at Real Canadian. And then at Loblaws, it was $47.65. So the total for everything without discounts, price matches, nothing would be $257.87, and I ended up paying $155.03. So I saved $102.84. And this is without using, actually no, I did use coupons, but I didn't print these coupons. These are available at the store. But everything else, I didn't use a single coupon. So anybody who's like scared of using coupons or just intimidated by it, this is still very much doable. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you at my next haul. Thanks.